Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make all photos private on Facebook. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, with the first option, let's go ahead over to our profile and then tap on photos right here. And then go ahead over to albums. Alright, this is by far the easiest one to hide all your photos. So for example, you have made an album right here. Okay, as you can see here, mine, it says only me. Well, that means the only person who can see what's inside this specific album is me, or only me. All right. So to go ahead and do that as well. And by the way, you cannot do that on profile pictures and cover photos. You'll have to do it one by one. Okay. So for example, this one, the sample album, tap on the pencil icon, and then just tap on who can see this. All right. I'll go ahead and set this one to only me. Once done, tap on the done button, tap on save right here at the very top. And after that, you're good to go. Now, as I've said earlier, for profile pictures and cover images, all you have to do is just tap on each photo, tap on the three dots, and then tap on edit privacy, tap on see all, and set this one to only me as well. Tap on save, and then you're good to go. All right, do the same thing to each profile pictures right here. Now, the other option is that maybe you would like to hide your post on your timeline. All right. Maybe tap on all right here. Okay, so what do we do? First up, you can tap on the three dots, tap on edit privacy, and then set it to only me. So this is just for a already posted post. Okay, if that makes sense. Now, if you want to limit who can see your past posts and future posts, okay, you can just go ahead over to settings. Right here at the very top, tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on settings, wait a bit, scroll all the way down and just find the section audience and visibility right here. Now go ahead and tap on posts. All right, so as you can see here, we have these options: who can see your future post and the limit who can see past post. So first up, who can see your future post? You can go ahead and set this one to only me, or maybe just friends, or even close friends. Go back, limit who can see past post, tap on view, and then just basically tap on limit past post right here. Now go ahead and pause the video and read through this. Once done, tap on limit and limit. I'm not going to do it, all right? And once that's done, you are good to go. Now, if you want to hide photos you're currently tagged in, well, go ahead over to your profile, all right, right here. Scroll all the way up, and then you'll be able to see three dots besides your cover photo. Tap on it, wait a bit, and then tap on activity log. All right, tap on it, and then tap on your Facebook activity. Now go ahead and tap on activity you're tagged in, manage tags, and you go ahead and filter this out. Categories. 2, photos and videos you're tagged in. You'll be able to see it right here, all the videos and photos you've been tagged in. So just basically tap on the three dots and you gotta select the option either hide from profile or remove tag. And those are the ways to make all your photos private on Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.